Hi guys.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to my channel, and make sure to like and subscribe. And today, me and a special guest named Mia, we're gonna be role playing in Berry Avenue.
Yeah.
So yeah. I had to go wake Autumn up now, and I need to. Okay. So, Autumn, wake up.
I don't want to.
Come on, you have to get ready. You have school in the morning.
But I don't want to go to school.
You're gonna have to. It's Monday. You only have like 5 more days to go.
Mom, can I please just skip school?
No, you can't because you're not sick. I don't hear any coughing. I don't hear any sneezing. Not
See,
you
Mom?
faking. Just because you're coughing and sneezing doesn't mean you're sick. I'll get you some medicine then because that will make you feel better.
Not right away.
Now I have to give her medicine. Even though she's not even sick. But I'm just gonna give her something. I'm not actually gonna get her medicine. I don't get why she's fake sicking. I'm not sicking like that. I don't get why she's faking. I'm just gonna get her some fruit. Oh my gosh, no, we don't have anything. Oh, come on, now I have to get to the store. I don't feel like cooking anything right now. But I guess she could stay home just for a little bit. Now I need to go, like, wake her up again. See, I told you were not sick.
No, I wasn't doing anything. I promise. I was just getting some water.
Well, you can only stay home for a little bit because I had to grab groceries. I had to grab groceries, but I'm gonna send you to school when I'm done getting groceries. So, yeah.
I don't want to go to school.
But you're gonna have to. So I'm gonna get, and you're already late anyways. It's like, oops, I did not mean to. It's already like 11, so you're already late anyways. But I'm gonna go grab some groceries. But first I need to get ready, so I'll see you later.
I'm gonna go eat breakfast, Mom.
There's no food left. That's why I'm grabbing groceries.
Is there any eggs?
Nope.
Bacon?
No.
White rice?
Nothing.
Pancakes?
See, nothing. There's no baby food. You don't really need baby food. There's no fish. There's no turkey. There's no vegetables. There's no milk, meat, nothing. So that's why I'm going to the grocery. Do you want to come to the grocery store with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get ready.
Okay, I'm gonna get ready too. Make sure to brush your teeth, Autumn.
I know, I'm gonna change first.
Okay. Sometimes doors are just, they just get me mad. I don't know why, but okay. Let me brush my teeth. Hopefully she's brushing her teeth too. I don't want her lying. Okay, now I need to change. Okay, now I'm done changing. I'm gonna see if Autumn's done. Autumn!
What?
Autumn! Where you at, Autumn?
I'm watching TV.
Oh, you already ready?
Yeah.
Well, let's turn it off because we're about to go. Come on.
Mom, no, it's my favorite.
You don't even like
part.
watching the news.
No, I just turned it on.
Yeah. But come on, we have to go.
Okay.
You said you wanted to go to the grocery store. Oops, that's a guest room. No, that's a guest room. Get out. Come on, sweetie. Let's get into the car. You have to sit in the back seat, though.
Whatever.
You're not old enough.
I know, Mom.
Okay, I already opened the garage. Okay, time to go to the grocery store.
Whippy, no school.
You are going to school.
After going to the grocery store, I know.
Oops. You can't just stay home from school even though you're not sick. Like literally no event is happening.
Whatever. I hate Monday mornings.
I do too, because I don't like working. Wait, I'm just gonna drop you off at school first because
What?
the grocery store is right next to the school. So I'm just gonna drop you off first.
Mama.
Sweetie.
I go to school.
I mean, if you proved something to me, I would've, but you didn't prove anything to me.
See, Mom.
Just because you're Mia, just because you, I meant Autumn. Oh my gosh, thinking of our other daughter. Autumn, just because you're coughing doesn't mean you're sick.
But Mama.
No buts. Come on, get in school. Come on.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, sweetie. I'll see you after school.
I'll see you in 8 hours.
She's funny. I just love her so much. Now I need to go to the grocery store. I'm a really bad driver. Glad my Autumn isn't here. Okay, now time to go to the grocery store, and then I think I need to go to the gym. Maybe not. I don't know if I can even find a gym because I just moved to Berry Avenue. Well, like 1 week ago. Okay. So I need eggs. Where's eggs at? I do not need baby food. Eggs. Got some eggs. Oh. I need some bacon. Well, meat. Fish. There. Cheese. And then I need flour. And I need sugar. But where's the milk at? Okay. There should be some milk in here. Okay. I'm gonna go check out now. Oh, milk. Over here. There's time to check out. Check out myself. Okay. Okay, time. I wonder how she's doing. Time to go back home, restock, and then maybe I can check on her. Wait, I just remembered I took the day off work today. I'm just gonna pick her up early because we haven't really explored. Well, I have, but she hasn't with me. Okay. Time to restock. Okay. I got everything. Okay, now I need to go check on Autumn. And I guess I will pick her up from school early so we can explore.
Huh?
Okay, now I need to go check on Mia. I bet she's gonna be very excited I'm picking her up early because she hates school, especially on Mondays. She always complains.
I can tell you guys, you're so
Oops. I hope no one's bullying her again. I'm gonna be mad. Oh, there she is.
That party, let's go party.
Mia, I'm Autumn.
What are you doing here, Mom?
I'm gonna pick you up early.
Why?
Oh, so now you don't want to get picked up early?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye.
But Mom, I had a little accident. So I tried to change my clothes.
What happened?
I peed on myself.
How do you pee yourself? What was your bag of clothes?
Huh?
Where's your bag of clothes?
It's in the principal's office. Want me to go get it?
Yes, get it.
Okay.
How does she pee her pants? She's like 8 years old. 9. She's like...
Okay, Mom, I got it.
Okay, come on, sweetie. I'm just still wondering, how do you pee your pants?
Because I had to go really bad, but it was in the middle of a test, and we couldn't go to the bathroom because you had to finish it by like 11. And like, yeah.
Back seat?
Oh my gosh, Mom. Whatever.
I'm not trying to have pee on my front seat.
Mom, I just said I changed my clothes. It's fine.
So, what about your underwear?
I mean, change it.
That's what I thought.
Whatever.
And since you didn't have any breakfast, I'm gonna cook you breakfast and lunch. What's
Let's
that?
party! Let's party!
That was weird.
What?
Okay, come on.
Okay, Mom.
Can just watch some TV or go on your iPad.
Okay, I might, I'm just gonna,
Okay. Do you want pancakes?
I guess. Yeah, definitely. I'm just gonna read my favorite book.
Wait, what are the ingredients I need? Oh, I forgot. I think, where's the sugar at?
Oh my gosh, Mom, you should read this. When I'm
What?
done doing this. It's so cool. It's so romantic. Bye, Mom.
Okay. I don't have a banana. Stirry, stirring. Place it batter onto the tray. What is this banana doing here? Okay. Oops. place your phone into the tray. I did that. To the stove. Okay, now I have to wait for it. That's what the Alexa told me. So wait.
Mom,
Yes,
is breakfast almost ready?
almost.
I can't wait any longer. I'm so hungry.
I know. It's ready, Mia.
Really? Okay, bet.
I don't know why I keep calling you Mia, even though your name's Autumn. Because one time I had a miscarriage, and I was gonna name it Mia, and I miss it. So I should have named you Mia, but I didn't. I cannot tell you my story? Oh my gosh, you're so rude.
I just said oh.
Okay. Well, eat up.
Okay.
Wait, I just realized I haven't ate.
This is so yummy.
Oh my gosh, I only got one of each. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Now I need to grab more from the grocery store.
Mom, I'm done.
Okay. You barely even ate any.
I know. I'm not really that hungry.
You just said you were. Oh my gosh.
Mom, I'm done.
Okay.
Can I come with you to the grocery store?
Wait. It's raining outside.
No.
I'd rather not.
Well, then what are you supposed to eat?
I would eat something.
Like cereal? Did you bring cereal?
No.
What?
But I know what I'll eat, but yeah.
You can just order it. It's not that hard.
I don't think the delivery people want to deliver it. There's gonna be a rainstorm outside in 30 minutes, so I don't think that's gonna happen, Mia.
So,
Autumn, sorry. I don't think that's gonna happen, Autumn.
well, I'm gonna find something for you to eat.
You don't need to.
You can eat like some cereal, I guess.
No, I'm good. How about you get a little rest? You can get a little rest.
But Mom, you haven't even ate dinner yet.
Well, it's not even time for dinner.
But Mom, fine. I'm gonna just take a nap. Whatever.
Okay, take a nap.
And I'm gonna change out of these uncomfortable clothes.
Okay, change. I can only just have a croissant. That croissant was good. I'm gonna get some coffee now. I'm feeling tired. I'm just gonna take a little nap, just like Autumn. Hopefully we don't flood. Ooh, it's getting louder. Bathroom, that's a bathroom. I keep forgetting. In my room. Time to change. Now I'm all done changing. It's raining so hard. What is that noise? Ugh. I need to go look at my phone. Huh? There's a tornado watch? I need to tell Autumn right now. I need to tell her. We need to get to the basement. We don't have a basement though. Oh no. Guess I just need to go to the apartment. Autumn, wake up right now. Wake up right now.
Mom, I'm sleeping.
I don't care. There's a tornado watch. Come on. We need to go.
Watch? Oh no.
Yes, but since we don't have a basement, we had to go to the apartment, so we need to hurry. So come on, Autumn. Hurry.
Why can't we just go to the shelter or something?
Well, we're going to the apartments for a reason.
Fine, whatever.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Where are you going?
Oh my gosh, it's so wet.
Oh my gosh, Mom, it's so cold. It's so cold.
I know, and we're in our pajamas too.
Yeah, I feel so.
Okay, Mia, we're here. I'm into autumn. Oh my gosh. Come on, get out.
Ah, it's so cold.
Exactly. There's no one here. I bet they're all in the basement. Come on.
I'm scared.
Me too. I hope this is gonna be over soon.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, now that's the end of the movie. I mean, not movie, the video.
What was I say?